and keep your voice low. What does it mean? It happens, that when you are arguing something with somebody, and if you think that your argument is going down, you are failing, then you raise your voice. To compensate, for the weakness of the argument, a man generally raises his voice. So this is wrong. Don't try to compensate the weakness of your argument with the loudness of your voice. Otherwise, there are occasions when you have to speak loudly. And that is why I want to quote, that the sermon of the Prophet ﷺ, as we have a very ahem and very important and very authentic hadith. This is, from Jabir ibn Abdullah al-Ansari, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He is the reporter of this hadith. And Imam Muslim rahimahullah has included it in his Sahih. And according to this hadith, إِذَا خَطَبَ كَانَ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وسلم إِذَا خَطَبَ احْمَرَّتْ عَيْنَاهُ وَعَلَى صَوْتُهُ وَاشْتَدَّ غَضَبُهُ. When the Prophet ﷺ used to deliver a sermon, usually his eyes became red, his voice became very loud, and it seemed that he is, having an anger, he is angry. So, وَاشْتَدَّ غَضَبُهُ. That was the way he used to address the people. Just like the leader or the commander of an army, when he persuades his men to fight, charge, actually, and when he says that the enemy is coming, charge. So the way he commands his people, his soldiers, his army, that was the way the Prophet ﷺ used to address the congregation. كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا خطب احمرت عيناه. His eyes used to become red. وعلى صوته, and his voice was raised. واشتد غضبه. He was in emotions. His sermon used to be emotional type of sermon, very living and pulsating type of sermon. So actually, there can be occasions when you have to use loud voice. But what is meant by Luqman here, that is, when you are arguing something with somebody and there is some dispute, don't raise your voice. Your argument should have the weight. It should carry the weight. Not that you should compensate the weakness of your argument with the loudness of your voice. Inna ankara al-aswat la-sawtul hamir. This is to prove that point, that because although the voice of ass and donkey when it is bragging, although it's very loud, but it's not pleasant.